Hi, I'm Mark Davidson. Coaching works through two basic mechanisms. It creates the conditions for people to have useful insights. There's already a video about that. And it sets people up to take action. During their coaching, coaches think their insights through until they're clear about the best course of action to take. And towards the end of the session, they make clear commitments to taking those actions. It's great to be listened to and understood. And it's great to have flashes of insight, but it's actions that change things. It's what the coachee does after the session that really matters. Imagine a graph where the y-axis represents how good things are. Higher up means better, with the coachee and those they care most about being healthier or happier or in some other way better off. The yellow dot represents how things are at the time of the coaching. Imagine the coachee not following any new course of action. If nothing external changes, the value of the situation will stay the same. Now imagine the coachee having insights into what they could do to impact the situation in a positive way, and imagine them taking that impactful course of action. The situation would become better than it would have been if it wasn't for the coaching. It's this difference that gives the coaching its value. All coaches, whether they're using coaching as a management tool or providing coaching to paid clients, need to appreciate the importance of the catapult to action. If coaching doesn't have this as its focus, it'll end up by being empty, however meaningful and inspirational it might feel at the time. Grasping the importance of the catapult to action will help you do three things that'll keep your coaching efficient and effective. The first is to use tools such as questions to keep directing the coachee's attention towards the actions they might take. You help them explore the possibilities in front of them in a practical way. The second is to get the coachee to commit to taking the course of action they've seen to be most worth taking. Expressing a commitment always increases the coachee's resolve. It makes them see the course of action as something that they'll definitely do, particularly when the coach gets them to specify when exactly they'll do things. The third part of springing the catapult to action is to arrange to contact the coachee sometime in the future to find out how they've got on. If the coachee knows that someone's going to check up on them, they'll want to have a good story to tell. We cover all this in more detail in our Learn to Coach courses. If you do learn to coach, you'll see for yourself that the mechanisms by which coaching works really are fundamentally simple. The conditions are created for the coachee to have useful insights. Then the insights are thought through until the best course of action becomes obvious. Finally, the coach uses the techniques at their disposal to maximize the chances of the coachee actually following that course of action. If all coaches understood this, most of the nonsense that permeates the world of coaching would dissolve away, and many more people would get the effective, efficient coaching that all of us deserve.